On behalf of the Health Equity Partnership of North Central Massachusetts, along with our partners at AARP and Community Education Services, we would like to thank you for joining today's webinar. In today's webinar, we will explore how to safely and securely use telehealth platforms. By the end of today's webinar, you'll have a clear understanding of telehealth benefits and how it can simplify your life. We will discuss how telehealth makes it easier to access healthcare from anywhere, helping you avoid unnecessary travel. We will also learn practical tips to protect our personal health information, like creating strong passwords and spotting scams. Finally, we'll cover how to keep your devices secure so you can enjoy safe and private telehealth sessions. Our goal is to make sure you feel confident and prepared to use these platforms securely. In this section, we will examine the value of telehealth platforms, how they operate, and their essential features. Telehealth offers numerous benefits that make it an attractive option for seniors. First and foremost, it provides convenience by allowing patients to attend medical appointments without leaving their homes. This is particularly helpful for those with mobility challenges or transportation issues. Secondly, telehealth improves access to care, enabling individuals in remote or underserved areas to connect with healthcare professionals. Lastly, telehealth enhances safety by minimizing exposure to contagious diseases, which is especially important during pandemics or flu seasons. Understanding these advantages helps us appreciate the value of telehealth and encourages us to adopt it as part of our healthcare routine. Telehealth refers to the use of digital communication technologies to provide healthcare services remotely. It typically involves video conferencing, secure messaging, and access to medical records through online platforms. Patients can consult with doctors, receive diagnoses, and even get prescriptions without visiting a clinic. Common telehealth platforms include Zoom for Healthcare, MyChart, and other provider-specific applications. These platforms are designed to be user-friendly and secure, ensuring that patients can interact with their healthcare providers safely and effectively. Understanding how telehealth works empowers seniors to take advantage of these services with confidence. Several telehealth platforms are widely used in the healthcare industry. Zoom for Healthcare offers secure video conferencing tailored for medical consultations. MyChart and other patient portals allow patients to view test results, schedule appointments, and communicate with providers through secure messaging. Other platforms may include features like prescription management, health tracking, and appointment reminders. Key features to look for include video visits, secure messaging, and access to medical records. These tools are designed to streamline the healthcare experience while maintaining high standards of privacy and security. Familiarity with these platforms helps us navigate telehealth more effectively. In this section, we will explore the importance of privacy and security in healthcare, and we will demonstrate how to create strong passwords, use two-factor authentication, and discuss why it is important to avoid sharing login details. Protecting personal health information is critical when using telehealth platforms. Medical records, identification numbers, and insurance details are sensitive data that must be safeguarded to prevent identity theft and unauthorized access. Healthcare providers are required by law to maintain the confidentiality of patient information, but users also play a vital role in ensuring their data remain secure. Patients should be aware of the types of information that need protection and take proactive steps to secure their accounts and devices. Understanding the importance of privacy helps build trust in telehealth services and encourages responsible usage. Creating strong passwords is one of the most effective ways to protect your telehealth accounts. A strong password should include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information such as names, birthdays, or common words. For example, a strong password might look like $MyDog, $2025! Patients should also consider using password managers to securely store their login credentials. Regularly updating passwords and avoiding reuse across multiple accounts further enhances security. By following these tips, patients can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access to their personal health information. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to telehealth accounts. It requires users to verify their identity using a second method, such as a code sent to their phone or email, in addition to their password. This makes it much harder for hackers to gain access, even if they know the password. Seniors should enable two-factor authentication on all telehealth platforms that support it. The process is usually straightforward and provides significant protection against unauthorized access. Understanding and using two-factor authentication helps seniors feel more secure when accessing their healthcare information online. Sharing login details, even with trusted friends or family members, can compromise the security of telehealth accounts. Each user should maintain control over their own credentials to ensure privacy and accountability. Patients should be reminded that healthcare information is personal and should only be accessed by the individual or authorized healthcare providers. If assistance is needed, it's better to seek help without sharing passwords. By keeping login details private, patients can prevent unauthorized access and maintain the integrity of their medical records. In this section, we will examine common scams, identify red flags, and discuss safe communication practices. Scammers often target seniors with fake emails, phone calls, and pop-up messages that appear to be from legitimate healthcare providers. These scams may use urgent language, request payment, or ask for personal information. Red flags include unsolicited messages, grammatical errors, and suspicious links. Seniors should be cautious and verify the source before responding to any communication or clicking on any links. It's important to remember that legitimate healthcare providers will never ask for sensitive information through unsecured channels. Recognizing these risks helps seniors avoid falling victim to scams and protects their personal health information. Safe communication with healthcare providers should always occur through official telehealth platforms. Seniors should avoid using email, text messages, or social media to share medical information. Instead, they should use secure messaging features within platforms. These tools are designed to protect patient privacy and ensure that information is transmitted securely. If unsure about a message or request, seniors should contact their provider directly through the official platform. Adopting safe communication practices helps maintain the confidentiality and integrity of healthcare interactions. In this section, we will discuss keeping your device secure by updating devices and software, and by using secure Wi-Fi connections. Keeping devices and software up to date is essential for maintaining security. Updates often include patches for known vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers. Users should regularly check for updates on their computers, tablets, and smartphones and install them promptly. Automatic updates can be enabled to simplify the process. In addition, installing trusted antivirus and security software provides an extra layer of protection against malware and phishing attacks. By keeping our devices secure, we can safely access telehealth services without compromising our personal information. Using secure Wi-Fi connections is crucial when accessing telehealth platforms. Public Wi-Fi networks, such as those in cafes or other public places, are often unsecured and can expose users to cyber threats. Seniors should use their home Wi-Fi or a trusted private network for telehealth visits. If public Wi-Fi must be used, a virtual private network, VPN, can help encrypt the connection and protect data. Understanding the risks associated with public networks and choosing secure alternatives ensures that telehealth sessions remain private and safe. In conclusion, during today's webinar, we discussed the benefits of telehealth. We talked about how telehealth makes it easier to access healthcare from anywhere, helping you avoid unnecessary travel and exposure to illness. We also learned practical tips to protect your personal health information, such as creating strong passwords and spotting scams. Finally, we covered how to keep your devices secure so you can enjoy safe and private telehealth sessions. Thank you for attending today's webinar and for continuing your telehealth journey to ensure you feel confident and prepared to use these platforms securely. Thank you so much for joining us for today's webinar. We really value your feedback and would love to hear your thoughts so we can keep improving our sessions. If you have a moment, please fill out our quick survey. Just click the link in the description below. We'd also welcome any comments you want to share in the comments section.